Hello and welcome to this episode of training where we start calling potential planners and event organisers and have a chat with them about using the hotel's TV technology and getting your support as an agent. So the whole purpose with this right now is that we've created a list of wedding planners, for example. It could be anything. We've put that on our spreadsheet and now we're going to call them, introduce ourselves and get some information sent out. That's the most important thing. So they're looking for the information. When it arrives, they'll retrieve it from spam and then we can follow up with another phone call a little bit later, or we might even engage with a bit of a chat and tell them a little bit more about it. But this is kind of how an introduction phone call goes. So let's make a call.
For reservations, please press 1. For events, please press 2. For all other inquiries, please press 3.
I'm going to pick option number 3 for all other inquiries.
Good afternoon, Gunner Phones. This is Sophie speaking.
Hi Sophie, I wonder if you can help me. My name's Harrison Brown. I'm from a company called Hotels.tv. We book hotels for people attending weddings and trade shows and conventions and exhibitions, and we provide a booking system free of charge and support to wedding planners, and we also share commission. So there's an earning element for the wedding venues, and I just wondered who I would talk to.
Sure, no problem. Were you able to send through some further information via email?
Yeah, absolutely.
Perfect. If you could send that to info
Yes.
at Grand Pacific Group
Okay.
.com.au, and I can have a look over that and we can go from there.
Great. So you're Sophie. What's your position there, Sophie?
Director of Sales.
Excellent. And do you do hotel bookings?
No, not at all.
Okay. So you'd probably have what size are your events? A couple of hundred people or?
Yeah, anything from a 10 packs event up to about 350.
And so do you know where they would normally stay around you?
Any. To be honest, because we don't get involved, it's really at the discretion of the guest attending the wedding.
Yep.
I'd say that there's a lot of people who are Sydney-based, so it's more that they would just travel home,
Mm-hmm.
and then they could do anything from hotels in the city through to North Sydney, Manly.
Yeah. Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really good. So yeah, very briefly, like I say, what we do is we've got a booking system that's personalised around every wedding, and it can connect basically to the actual wedding invitation of the guest, of the wedding party, and it has selected hotels. So we've got an agent around the area. They find the local hotels. They negotiate a very special rate and added value just for the guests of that wedding, and put inclusions in the rooms such as flowers or a bottle of wine, and also try and keep the wedding party together where possible in the same hotel. And we earn on average about 10 to 15% commission by doing that, and we manage the whole process for the venues, and we share the commission with you, so you get a return on introducing us to the bride and groom, and that's it really.
Sure, no problem. We'll definitely send it through something I can have a look over, and we can go from there.
All right, so it's grandpacificgroup.com.au.
That's correct. That's our parent company. Correct.
Okay, great, Sophie. Okay, I'll send something over shortly. Thanks very
You have
much.
a wonderful Friday. Thank
Yeah,
so
you
much.
too. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye. And there you go. So now what we have is we have a potential wedding venue. What I should have asked is how many weddings they have as well, but they're a fairly serious wedding venue. They don't get involved in the hotel bookings because it's such a nightmare. But for us, it's a piece of cake, and because of the technology. And she's open to it. It's another way they can generate revenue. She's the director of sales. I'm going to send her some information, and then what we'll do is we'll follow up in a couple of days. And that's it. Speak to you soon.